Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. If you don't know me already, I'm Bradley Mills, co-founder of Glovebox. Today we'll be going through our February 2020 Glovebox while working on this Honda Civic Type R. So let's get started. Alright, first, from Adams, their ceramic premium line, we have their wash and coat. Once you wash your car, you're going to have to dry it. So we included this big boy from Autofiber, the Amphibian Junior. Next, for the interior, from Masterson's Car Care, we have interior detailer, 16 ounce. And to use this and wipe down all your dashboard and gunk, we have the L-Ray from Limitless Car Care. And then to keep your microfibers clean and lasting long, we also have from Limitless Car Care Microfiber Meditation. Let's put these bad boys to use on this Honda Civic Type R. The first thing I want to talk about is the Adams Wash and Coat. This can be used just as your normal car wash soap. But what's great about this and the benefit is it's crafted with SI02, which is going to give your car extra protection. So this is great to maintain your coated vehicle, but if your vehicle is not coated, it is going to give it that extra little bit of protection to keep your car clean during the elements. Super simple to use. You're going to put about 2 ounces for every 3 gallons of water. Now if you're going to use this in a foam cannon or a foam gun, I like to put 3 to 4 ounces of product in there. But since we're using the buckets right now, we're going to do 2 ounces. Remember, caps are typically ½ an ounce, so we're going to put 4 of these into this bucket. And right in there, 2, 3, 4. Rinse that cap out, make sure we get all the product. Easy enough. And then go ahead and throw it out the rest of the way, get all those suds. And then next, we are going to rinse down part of this hood. We're just going to go through a soft, proper hand wash and then rinse it off, and then use our microfiber towel from Autofiber and get it nice and dry. Okay, for Masterson's Car Care, our interior detailer. So when I'm cleaning the inside of a car, I want something that I can use on all surfaces safely, right? Because when we are inside a car like this, we have Alcantara, we have navigation screens, we have glass, we have dashboard, we have steering wheel, we have a lot of different areas that we don't want to switch to a lot of different products. So this product is perfect for that, the interior detailer. And with the L-Ray microfiber towel from Limitless Car Care, first thing I'm going to do is spray directly on the towel. I don't like to spray all over the surface and get stuff everywhere and maybe forget something that's spritzed on that side. So, yeah, 2 little sprays, that's it. Put this off to the side and start top down. So I'll always start on the dash and then work my way down. And the reason I do that is because if I knock anything down this way, I don't have to go back over it. Nice and easy, nice and soft. I can check my towel, flip it over to clean off any extra residue. And if I need to, a couple more sprays. Nice and simple. From the steering wheel, getting all that junk off of there. Easy. There you go. One of the most important things to have in your detail arsenal is the proper microfiber towel for the proper job. And microfiber towels can get pretty expensive, so we want to help prolong the life of our microfiber towels. That's why we included the Microfiber Meditation from Limitless Car Care. So when we wash these towels, we will get the most life that we can out of them. Certain things that I like to do is I have different colors for different uses of my towels. For instance, my blue towels here, I'm only going to use on the rims, engine bays, or some exhaust tips. Yellows, I'm going to use for my interior. My glass towels, I'm going to keep separate. My red ones, I like to use for my paint. And then of course, you have the bigger drying towels. But the reason I color code them is so I don't cross-contaminate. For instance, my blue ones that we talked about that are going to be used on the rims only, I don't want to use any brake dust, which is actually metal particles, and I cross-contaminate it onto my paint towels and mess up my paint. So that's why I like to color coordinate and separate them. So when I'm washing them with my special microfiber detergent, I'm only going to wash them in their special categories. My paint towels, my rim, engine bay towels, interior wash towels. So what I'm going to do is I'll throw my paint towels in. I will put 2 ounces, that's what the manufacturer recommends. And an easy way to remember what 2 ounces is these caps are typically ½ an ounce. So I'll do 4 cap loads for a full load of laundry. So let's do it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this helpful. Pick up the February 2020 Glovebox at gloveboxdetail.com. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get alerts so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, happy detailing.